Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia and today I want to show you how to make root beer popsicles. These are super easy because there is only 2 ingredients to them and they're perfect for summer, so let me show you how to make them. So to make this recipe, you want to make sure you have popsicle molds. That is crucial. And then you want to make sure you are using your favorite ice cream, which is slightly thawed out, and that your root beer is cold. So go ahead and take the tops of your popsicle mold out. These are pink ones. Not my favorite, but making do with what we have. Then you want to slowly pour some root beer in the bottom of your popsicle molds. Make sure you don't add too much and don't work too fast. Make sure you're working slow. Once you've added just a tiny bit of root beer in your popsicle mold, you want to start adding your ice cream. So this is actually not my favorite ice cream, despite the fact that I said to use your favorite ice cream, because the store that I usually buy my groceries from, they do not carry my favorite brand of ice cream, which is Haagen-Dazs. If you're wondering, I love Haagen-Dazs. Their texture is just stellar. So they did carry this brand. That's why I got this one, not because it's my favorite. I know my sister likes it and a few other people like it, but it's just not my favorite. So you are going to be alternating between the root beer and the ice cream. And when you are adding the ice cream to the root beer, make sure you work slow and don't add too much. You're just going to add about a spoon or two, and then you are going to add the root beer, and then you're going to add some more ice cream, and then you're going to finish it off with the root beer. Now, I can't stress enough that you have to work slow and be careful when you are making these popsicles, because if you are trying to work fast and just get these done, you'll probably end up with a mess, because every time you pour some of that root beer, it foams up, and then once you add the ice cream, it foams up again. So just be careful and just work slowly. So like I said, make sure you're ending it with the root beer, and then once you pour the root beer into the popsicle molds, you want to slowly add your tops to each one. Now, I'm not sure if all of the popsicle molds come with a stand. I hope they do, just because it makes it super easy for storing. So hopefully they do. If they don't, I don't know, I got this one from Walmart. Usually I order everything off of Amazon, but this time around I just went ahead and bought these from Walmart. So go ahead and finish it off with the root beer. And then make sure you're not overfilling them, because if you do overfill them, because when they are freezing, the tops will pop out, just because the soda does expand as it's freezing in the freezer. So just keep that in mind. Try not to overfill them when you are making them. And of course, it saves you some mess to clean up. So once you have place the tops on and they kind of click in place, go ahead and place them in your freezer. I kept them in the freezer overnight just because I wanted them to set. I wasn't in a hurry to eat them, so you could probably get away probably 4 to 6 hours, but I wasn't in a hurry. And if you're not in a hurry, just let them hang out in the freezer overnight. It's not a biggie. And then I went ahead and made myself a root beer float, because I did have a lot of extra ice cream. As you can imagine, that is a big thing of ice cream. So I just poured some ice cream into a mason jar, and then I topped it with some root beer, because root beer is awesome, you guys. I love this stuff. So I just went ahead and did that. I added a straw, I shook it up. I love root beer floats. You can even make a Coke float or whatever. And then when your popsicles are fully frozen, you are ready to unmold them. So I like to unmold them by dipping them in a little bit of hot water, because if you don't use the hot water, they kind of don't come out. So go ahead and dip them into some hot water really quickly, and then you just want to pop them out of the mold. It's really satisfying when you're pulling these popsicles out of the mold. It's just, I love the way they look and the sound that they make. So make sure you do that. I love these popsicles because they are so refreshing, perfect for summer. They're creamy from the ice cream. Then the root beer kind of turns into, like, I would say, like a popsicle kind of consistency, because it has, that iciness to it, because it is a soda. So I don't drink a lot of soda. I try to stay away from soda, but this one is awesome if you are looking for something to eat in the summer while it's so hot outside and you just want to, get a little refreshed. I hope you guys give this a try. Make sure you change it up. If you do not like root beer, change it up and add some Coke, add some orange soda, or even some grape soda. I wonder if that would be good. That would probably be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate that. And make sure you check out the recipe. If you do need the recipe, it is down in the description. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.